Guys, finally, after 2 days of hacking and lots of ups and downs, the product is finally ready. This is our 3D printed model. Inside this, we have all the Raspberry Pi and all the other electronic component. So I will just give you a quick demo. Which city is better, Delhi or Bangalore?
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Which city is better, Delhi or Bangalore? Which city is better, Delhi or Bangalore?
It depends on your preferences. Bangalore is known for its taxing and moderate climate, while other cities may offer different cultural experiences or opportunities. What factors are most important to you?
I want a pollution-free environment. I want a pollution-free environment.
For a pollution free environment, cities like Mysore, Korg, or even some areas in Kerala might be better options than Bangalore. They often have cleaner air and more greenery.
So thanks for your response.